testing and evaluation, okay, we've got problem. EMC, for normal people, not on this conference, is they've got some standards, but it's something strange. They call it black magic and so on. It's not so important. Important in this business is money, cheap components, and make it faster. But why EMC is so important? Because project is going, then evaluation, and stops what? Everything. Everything. Because it's not so simple to go, oh, I go here or here. Sometimes we need to go here. And what's there? There, manufacturing, production is waiting for us. Of course, we've got different, but they are waiting. So, huge plant is waiting for us to make design. How many dollars are wasted because they're waiting for us? A lot. So EMC is very important because without EMC, without testing, evaluation, without compliance, we can't send project for production.